Hello students, today we'll be starting a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, which is based on fractions and decimals. तो जो fractions है, fractions तो already तुम लोगों को छोटे क्लास में और मिला हुआ है, that is in the previous class 6 में. जो fractions है, fractions हम लोग 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. One is your proper fraction, one is your improper fraction, and the third one is your mixed fraction. So if I consider a fraction, we write the fraction in the type of P by Q. It is written in this form. Okay, P by Q. So the proper fraction here we can consider as which one will be your proper fraction. Proper fraction कौन सा होगा भी? So the proper fraction, if you write the ratio, that is P by Q ratio, जो fraction का part है, if you want to call that as a proper fraction, the numerator, that is P. Okay, this is called as a numerator. And this is your denominator. If your numerator is smaller than that of the denominator, then that type of fraction is called as a proper fraction. Like if I consider that your P value should be less than Q. For example, if you consider example as 2 by 5, 2 by 5, you can see the numerator value is 2, the denominator value is 5. So we can represent here that the 2 is less than 5. So this is your proper fraction. Then come to the second one, which is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Here improper fraction is considered as if P is greater than Q, then that is called as a improper fraction. As for example, numerator value should be bigger than the denominator. तो इसी को ही उल्टा करके लिख देते 5 by 2. This is your improper fraction. Yeah? And this improper fraction can be converted into a mixed fraction, which is a third. So the third type of fraction is your mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction, like if you have an improper fraction that is 5 by 2, this 5 by 2 can be converted into a mixed fraction. How to convert it? So this means that your 5 is divisible by 2. So this will be 2 2s are 4. Remainder it will be as 1. We write the mixed fraction in this way. It is written as A B by C. Okay, how will you write this A by A, B by C form? The above number, this takes the position of 2. You go on moving in a form of circle. You take just replace the position. 2 will be taking this position of 2. Then this 2 position will be taking the position of 1. And this 1 will be taking the position of the 2. Just change the position. That means if you write in this form, like suppose if I remove this number, it will be in this way, you see. It will be in this way. So this portion will be taken by this 2. So I can write as 2. This one portion will be taken by this 2. So here I can write as 1. Then this 2 portion will be going to this position. Oh, sorry, this 2 will be going to the position of 1. So it is 2, 1 by 2. Again I am repeating. If I take one more number, like suppose I have 7 by 3, suppose I have. So this, it can be represented by 3 7. So 3 2s are 6. So remainder it will be 1. So how to write in the ABC form? So this will take the position of 3. 3 will be taking the position of 1. 1 will be taking the position of 2. That means I can write this number as, this will be 2. The 3 will be going below and 1 will be going up. Sorry, this will be 3 and 1 will be going up. So it will be 2 1 by 3. Then how to convert into a improper fraction? This is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So it will be equals to 5 by 2. Same way if I want to convert this, so it will be 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3. So this will be 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 1, it is 7 by 3. As you can see, this is your number. So these are the types of the different types of fractions. That is a proper fraction, improper fraction, and a mixed fraction. Then if I discuss about one example, suppose if an example it is given, write 5 equivalent fraction of, it is given as 3 by 5, equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. So how to write this equivalent fraction of 3 by 5? Remember that when we convert this into equivalent fraction, the fraction that we'll be getting, it should be equal to 3 by 5. Like suppose you have 3 by 5, convert this into equivalent fraction. You do one thing, multiply a number, suppose 2, that number should also be multiplied below, that is 5 into 2. That means if I cancel this 2 and 2, what will I get the answer? That is 3 by 5. So therefore this is called as an equivalent fraction. That means your 6 by 10 is an equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Similarly, if I consider one more equivalent fraction, like suppose again if I take 3 by 5, take the next number 2. If it is 3 into 3, 5 into 3, so it will be 3 into 3, it is 9, divided by 15, 9 by 15. So 9 by 15 is also an equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. How? If I cancel this 3, what will you get? You will get the number as 3 by 5. So this is your equivalent fraction. You can calculate 3 more equivalent fraction and you can show me in the next class. Okay, you can give me a photo on my number. So this much for today. We'll be discussing some more topics of related with the fraction in the next class. Thank you.